Welcome to Black Gravity Effects. We're taking through the second episode of SMC Plus Smart Money Concept Trading. So remember, first of all, we're starting off at the daily time frame. We started off at the daily time frame by marking out our highest high. After marking our highest high, then we have to mark out our lowest low, or you also consider the strongest low in the market, daily low. Then we can start mark out our support and resistance levels, or reversal levels. Though these are reversal levels. This is also reversal level. This is reversal level. This is also reversal level. So reversal level, and this is also reversal level. So I think it's marked already. So I think I should just color grade though. Color grade it. So this level is marked already. And remember, since this is a combination of SMC and price action trading, we notice that there has been a strong bullish trend on the daily time frame. Although not quite straightforward, but the overall trend is a bullish trend. Understand? The overall daily trend is a bullish trend, and we can also see that this resembles a pattern. See this steep movement towards the upside, and then you can also see this movement here. This movement here. So I took a trade last week. Understand? You can also see that there has been constant trend line resistance at this point, and you can see one, two, three, four, constant like five rejections. Understand? So actually say support levels. Understand? This is a resistance support level. Understand? And you can see market making higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher low, higher, and you can see change of character here, but it wasn't able to break below. Understand? Just taking out the AVG here and add this trend line support. Understand? With this rejection here. So dropping down to the 4 hour time frame, I'll show you the reason I took a trade last week. So you can see after this massive consolidation here, after this massive consolidation, this massive consolidation happened at this point. Okay, so market broke below this resistance. This is resistance on support level. Normally, we wait for market to make a confirmation, take a confirmation before entering for a sell. Understand rather. So, but this is a trend line support level at this point. A trend line support level at this point, which we all know. This trend line support level. So there was no way for the market to actually break below again. Understand? Rather, it took support at this trend line, then going back up. So what I did after I saw this, understand? You can also see that it's a favored gap at this point. It's a favored gap at this point. So considering a favored gap and considering a trend line support, it was meant to be a reversal. So at that point there, just run to the 1 hour frame. What I saw here, guys, was a head and shoulder pattern. Understand? What I saw, guys, was a head and shoulder pattern. I saw a head and shoulder pattern, something like this. I think you can also see it too. Then they're waiting for this change of pattern, understand? And then we test, and then towards the outside. So what I just waited for was for the market to just show me a clear reason why I actually need to make my move. Understand? After this consolidation at this point, I saw this actually change of pattern showing me that there's going to be a strong a mini change in direction of the market. Understand? So this high at this point. What about the change of pattern? Then you can see we test towards that support level and then boom towards the upside. So what I did, I just took my trade from this point. Took my trade from this point. I think it's around that point I took my trade though. Towards around this area. Towards around this area. Around this area. I think so. Then my stop loss was just around somewhere around there. Somewhere around there. And if you look very well, if you watch very well, there was a retest back into that same level. And there was a correction. And then you can see after market went up again, it came back and then make another correction and then shot back up. Normally for you to be to enter the trade, using the trend line, this is seen as a correction. Understand? This is so seen as a form of correction. So many that wanted to enter the trade will have entered the trade at this point. Then taking the profit at this point. And then the stop loss can just be below this low. Below just this low here. So guys, that's what I my analysis on the Euro card. So the next on our list is gold. I took a buy trade because I think okay, I would rather say it's a sell trade because I missed the buy. So I think let me take you on that first. So guys, this is gold. So I'm going to making my analysis on gold. So I normally start from the daily time frame, remember? So I daily time frame, what I have to mark out is my highest high and also market the strongest low I can see there. So that's what I have to mark out. So you can see there's been a strong buying shift on let's say as of last week on gold. But as of recent, as of this week, we started seeing more sellers coming to the market. So sellers are dominate the market. So I think we're still going to see further selling momentum then before a strong buy. So for now, let me start marking on the support and resistance level. So this is a strong level. This level here is a strong level. Okay, this level also. So strong level. And then guys, this level at this point. This level at this point. Also I want to mark out this high here. This high at this point. I think since that all is done, let me just make sure this zone is well marked. So as you can see here, this looks like a typical double bottom formation. This is like a typical double bottom formation. So I think that's all for this time frame. Just to drop down to the lower time frame. So drop it down to the lower time frame, you can also see that after this double bottom here, there was massive strong buying momentum in the market. But also after the price came to this area, this level here, there was some rejections, which brought back sellers massively. Which brought back massive sellers into the market. Then dropping down to this daily support level. So guys, this is where I took my sell entry. Okay, I told you I took sales. So after seeing this massive drop, I had to just mark out this level at this point. And then what I had to do was that drop down to the 30-minute time frame. And then what I saw was this head and shoulder pattern here. This pattern here at this point. And signifying that we're going to wait for a retest and then more sellers in the market. But then I was seeing this kind of consolidation around this level. This consolidation. This consolidation here. So I figured this is trying to make a pattern. That's just like a triangle pattern. So I just have to draw my trend line and then arrange this. I have to arrange this, guys. I have to arrange this my trend line. So and also I have to mark out another level I saw here. So this is another level. So I decided to take my entry from this point. And then my stop loss just above this high here at this point. Just above the high at this point. And then my sales all the way to this point. I closed about 1:2.5. I think so, 1:2 something. That's what I closed the trade on. So guys, that's all for it for my analysis. So guys, meeting you on the next trade, on the next upload soon. So guys, if you want to support me, hit the like and subscribe button to support me to be dropping more mind blowing content. Thank you guys.